So on the surface, a one chord song may be easy to play, but in truth, to make it interesting, you've got to add a lot of variety to the song, and I'm about to show you that. Hey there, budding Campfire guitar heroes, it's Dean again, bringing you another one of those forgotten songs we all love to remember. And as you know, this is the channel where we take classic hits and I try and make them as easy as possible for you to play. And what could be easier than a one chord song? So this song was a Grammy award winning hit for the Queen of Soul, Aretha Franklin, way back in the late 1960s. It is, of course, Chain of Fools. Now, it's only got the one chord, C minor. So how do we make that song interesting? Let's unpack that right now. Alright, so the original key for the song was C minor, which is a pretty tricky chord for beginner guitar players. It's a bar chord on the 3rd fret. So you could choose to transpose the song to any of the open minor chords. You could play it in E minor, you could play it in A minor or D minor, or you could get your good old friend the capo and put it on fret 3, form the A minor shape and play away, and you're actually in the C minor key. Okay, the guitar elements can be as simple as possible, or you could challenge yourself to add some light and shade to the song. Now this is a good song to try out all your chord variants further up the guitar neck. For instance, C minor here, 3rd fret, or you could do the E minor shape up on the 8th fret, or you could do the D minor shape up on the 11th fret. But of course, if you're playing that one, you've really only got to focus on strumming the 3 skinniest strings on the guitar. Well, let's look at the strum here. The foundational strum is a medium tempo, and it goes like this. I'll just block the strings. Down, up, block, down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, block. Block is where I'm doing the palm mute down here. Down, up, block, down, up, down, up, down. Play it on the C minor. And as you know, I always do a free song sheet for each of my lessons. Whilst this song only has one chord, you do want to know the lyrics, so download the song sheet, the link will be below, and have fun practicing and playing this song. And that's right folks, I am a left-handed guitarist playing on a right-hand strung guitar, so all the chord patterns may appear upside down to you. Don't let that worry you, I'm going to put them on the screen there, and I've just got the same challenges as you. Get your fingers in the right place, and then work the magic with your strumming and your picking. Of course, this song can get monotonous, so you've got to try these variations to add some light and shade to the song as you play it. Let's do it now. Right, in terms of vocal ability, so let's recap. I'm playing this song in the original song key of C minor, but I'm not going to try and pretend to sing like Aretha Franklin. I mean, she was one of the greatest vocalists of all time, so using my patented Patreon vocal ability analyzer, I definitely rate this song a rock star category. And speaking of Patreon, a huge shout out to my small but loyal band members who continue to support this channel. Thanks guys, you guys rock. Folks, some guitar playing options that you can weave into the song. Now have some fun with the song folks, you know, sing it at the top of your lungs, and importantly work on some of those techniques to improve your campfire guitar playing. And if you want to discover some more classic hits that are super easy to play, then you will definitely enjoy clicking the link below and exploring some of those songs.